In this video, I will show you step by step how to study at the last minute before the exam. But before anything, I want to make a disclaimer here. It doesn't mean that I encourage you to do the last minute works. No. Please try your very best to avoid doing the last minute works. But if let's say you are already at the last minute before the exam, don't worry. As long as you really follow what I said later, you will be fine, I guarantee. Alright, so let's check it out. So we have total 3 steps. So the first step is to start. Starting is always the most difficult part because most of you are panicked. So you keep on scrolling on your phone, although you know that you should stop scrolling your phone. So that's why you keep on feeling panic. I feel you. And perhaps that's why you click onto this video. So in this case, how should you start? Very easy. You just have to apply the 5 seconds rule. So I talk about the 5 seconds rule in this video as well. And this video is talking about the motivation and procrastination. So if you need more motivation, make sure you check out this video after this. So how to apply 5 second rules? Very easy. By the moment you start to think like, I shouldn't be scrolling, so immediately count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up straight away, go and sit down in front of your table. So please take note, don't give yourself any reflection time. By the moment you start to think like, I shouldn't be scrolling, then immediately don't give yourself any reflection times and count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this is how you should start by using the 5 seconds rule. Alright, so that is the first step. The second step is to make a quick plan in less than 5 minutes time. Don't straight away bury your head into the books. If else you will be studying blindly, you don't really know what you are doing. At the end of the day, you will realize you absorb nothing into your brain after studying for a whole day. That's why please don't study blindly. You just have to give yourself 5 minutes time to make a really quick plan. So how to make the plan? Very easy. You just have to use a study planner. I will put a link of the study planner in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So how to plan? For example, today is Sunday, tomorrow Monday, and then Tuesday. For example, tomorrow, which is Monday, you will have physics exam. On Tuesday, you have chemistry. So today, which is Sunday, how should you plan your day? First, start your day with summary pages in your textbook. You just have to go through all the summary pages in your textbook, and the summary pages will be at the end of every chapter. You just have to go through the summary pages in about 1 hour to quickly refresh your memory. So the second task is to go through 2 sets of physics past year paper. So you can get the past year paper from this Telegram channel. So again, I put a link of this Telegram channel in the description box below, so you may check it out later. And then you don't have to do the past year paper. Instead, you just have to go through. What does it mean by go through? Put the question paper beside the answer scheme, and then you read the questions. Give yourself 5 seconds to think about the answer and voice out your answer. Don't have to write it down, you just have to voice out. Then only you look at the answer scheme, and then highlight the keywords from the answer scheme and make a conclusion from the keywords. So if you don't know what does it mean by conclusion and how to make a conclusion, make sure you check out this video, because in this video I show you a specific example on how to make a conclusion for a question. Make sure you write down the conclusion into your notebook, so that next time when you encounter the same type of question, you just have to use the conclusion that you make to answer that question. This is how should you go through the past year paper. After 2 sets of physics paper, you take your lunch break and then you go through 2 sets of chemistry, because you will have chemistry on Tuesday, right? After 2 sets of chemistry, take a break and go through another 2 sets of physics, and then break and go through the last set of physics past year. You could adjust the break yourself as long as you make the conclusions for every set of paper. So right before you sleep, spend about 30 minutes to go through all the conclusions that you make for physics today. And then go to sleep, and then the next day, which is the day that you're gonna sit for exam, you have to wake up 30 minutes earlier. And then after you wake up, immediately recall all the conclusions that you make for physics yesterday. And then only you take out your notebook to check whether you miss out anything. And then go for physics exam. When you come back, you take a snack. When you wake up, first recall the chemistry conclusions that you made yesterday. And then second, the same thing, go through the summary pages in your chemistry textbook. And go through 2 sets of chemistry past year. Then take a break. And then for example, tomorrow is Tuesday. On Wednesday, you're going to have biology exam, for example. After you take a break, go through 2 sets of biology past year and go through the last set of chemistry paper. So the same thing right before you sleep. Go through all the conclusions you make for chemistry, and tomorrow in the morning after you wake up, immediately recall all the conclusion and check whether you missed out anything and go for exam. So just repeat the same thing. Please take note. For example, if you're going to sit for chemistry exam tomorrow, make sure you start your day with chemistry and also end your day with chemistry. So that's the second step. After you plan, so the third step is to follow the plan. Go through the past year and study on the answer scheme, highlight the keywords, make your own conclusion, write it down in your notebook, so on and so forth. And make sure you have a good rest. Alright, so make sure you subscribe and like this video. I'm the Sun. Have a nice day.